Salami, a cherished cured meat, holds a special place in culinary traditions worldwide. Its rich history and diverse variations make it a beloved staple in many cultures. From the smoky, spicy notes to the delicate herb-infused flavors, salami offers a taste experience like no other. From Italy to Spain, each culture boasts its own unique take on this savory delicacy. Italian salami, with its subtle blend of spices and herbs, contrasts with the bold, robust flavors of Spanish chorizo. Each region's salami tells a story of its people, their traditions, and their love for good food. Hungarian salami, however, stands out with its bold character and captivating spice profile. It's not just a food item, it's a symbol of Hungary's rich culinary heritage. The distinct taste of Hungarian salami is a result of centuries-old recipes passed down through generations. The secret lies in a harmonious blend of paprika, garlic, and caraway seeds, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate. These spices are carefully selected and measured to achieve the perfect balance, ensuring that each bite is a burst of flavor. Unlike some varieties, Hungarian salami embraces a coarser grind, lending a satisfying texture that elevates every bite. This texture is achieved through meticulous grinding and mixing processes, which are crucial to the final product's quality. This essay will guide you through crafting your own Hungarian salami at home. With the right ingredients and techniques, you can recreate this traditional delicacy in your own kitchen, bringing a piece of Hungary to your table. We'll explore the ingredients, techniques, and the satisfaction of creating a culinary masterpiece with your own hands. From selecting the freshest meats to mastering the art of seasoning, every step is an opportunity to connect with the rich traditions of Hungarian cuisine. Get ready to embark on a flavorful journey that will tantalize your taste buds and impress your friends and family. Sharing homemade salami is more than just serving food, it's about sharing a piece of your culinary journey and the love that went into making it. Let's dive into the world of Hungarian salami and unlock the secrets to its irresistible allure. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this journey promises to enrich your culinary repertoire and deepen your appreciation for this timeless delicacy. Making Hungarian salami at home is an adventure in patience and precision. Don't be intimidated though, as the process is surprisingly achievable with the right guidance. We'll break down each step into manageable tasks, ensuring that even novice charcutiers can achieve delicious results. Gather your ingredients, prepare your equipment, and let's begin this rewarding culinary journey together. Remember, sanitation is paramount when working with cured meats. Ensure your workspace is clean and your equipment is sterilized to prevent any unwanted bacteria from interfering with the fermentation process. With a little care and attention to detail, you'll be well on your way to creating a Hungarian salami that rivals the finest butcher shops. The foundation of any great salami lies in the quality of the meat. Without high-quality meat, even the best recipes and techniques will fall short. The meat is the canvas upon which all other flavors are built. For Hungarian salami, a blend of pork shoulder and belly is ideal. This combination provides a perfect balance of lean meat and fat, which is crucial for the texture and flavor of the final product. The shoulder provides lean protein, while the belly contributes essential fat for flavor and moisture retention during the curing process. The interplay between these two cuts creates a harmonious blend that is both flavorful and satisfying. Look for meat from ethically raised animals, as this will significantly impact the final taste and texture of your salami. Ethically raised animals tend to have better muscle development and fat distribution, which translates to superior meat quality. When selecting your meat, consider the fat-to-lean ratio. This ratio is critical because it affects not only the flavor but also the texture and moisture content of the salami. A ratio of 70% lean to 30% fat is a good starting point for Hungarian salami. This balance ensures that the salami is neither too dry nor too greasy, providing a perfect mouthfeel. This balance ensures a rich flavor and a pleasing texture. The fat not only adds flavor, but also helps in the curing process, making the salami tender and juicy. You can adjust the ratio slightly based on your personal preference, but avoid going too lean, as this can result in a dry and crumbly salami. Experimenting with different ratios can help you find the perfect balance for your taste. With your meat selected, it's time to grind. A meat grinder with a coarse plate is recommended for Hungarian salami, as it creates the desired texture. Chill the meat thoroughly before grinding to prevent smearing and ensure a clean cut. Once ground, transfer the meat to a large mixing bowl. Now comes the heart of the flavor profile, the spice blend. Hungarian salami typically features a combination of paprika, garlic, caraway seeds, black pepper and salt. The paprika not only imparts its signature red hue but also adds a touch of sweetness and smokiness. Garlic provides a pungent kick, while caraway seeds offer a warm, aromatic note. Black pepper adds a subtle heat, and salt, of course, acts as the all-important preservative. Section 5. Casing and fermenting, the magic of time. Stuffing the salami is a crucial step that requires a gentle touch. Natural hog casings are traditional for Hungarian salami, lending a satisfying snap and allowing for optimal fermentation. Soak the casings in warm water to soften them before carefully threading them onto the sausage stuffer attachment. Fermentation is where the magic happens. This process involves beneficial bacteria breaking down sugars in the meat, developing complex flavors and preserving the salami. Maintain a cool, humid environment for fermentation, ideally around 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, with 75 to 85% humidity. This can be achieved using a dedicated fermentation chamber or a simple setup like a cool basement or a refrigerator with a humidity control tray. Section 6. Smoking and drying, the final touches. After fermentation, it's time to smoke the salami. Cold smoking is preferred, using hardwood like hickory or applewood to impart a subtle smoky flavor without cooking the meat. Maintain a smoking temperature of around 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 to 32 degrees Celsius for several hours or until the salami develops a rich mahogany color. Drying is the final step in the salami making process. Hang the salami in a cool, dry, well-ventilated area for several weeks or until it loses approximately 30 to 40% of its original weight. This slow drying process concentrates the flavors and creates the characteristic firm texture of Hungarian salami. Section 7. From pantry to plate, a simple Hungarian salami pizza. Today, we're diving into a delightful culinary journey that combines the rich, robust flavors of Hungarian salami with the universally loved Italian pizza. This recipe is perfect for those who want to impress their guests with minimal effort, but maximum flavor. One of the simplest yet most satisfying ways to showcase your homemade Hungarian salami is on a delicious pizza. The beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity and the quality of its ingredients. With just a few steps, you can create a mouth-watering meal that will leave everyone asking for seconds. The salami's bold flavors shine through, adding a touch of Eastern European flair to this Italian classic. The combination of the spicy smoky salami with the creamy mozzarella and tangy pizza sauce is simply irresistible. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need for this culinary masterpiece. Ingredients: 1 pre-made pizza crust, half a cup of pizza sauce. The sauce is the foundation of your pizza, providing a rich, savory base that complements the other toppings perfectly. Half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella is the classic choice for pizza, offering a creamy texture and mild flavor that melts beautifully. A quarter cup of sliced Hungarian salami. The star of the show, Hungarian salami, brings a unique, robust flavor that sets this pizza apart from the rest. A quarter cup of sliced red onion. The red onion adds a sharp, slightly sweet bite that balances the richness of the salami and cheese. A quarter cup of chopped fresh parsley. Fresh parsley adds a pop of color and a hint of freshness that brightens up the entire dish. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Preheating ensures that your pizza cooks evenly and the crust becomes perfectly crispy. Spread pizza sauce evenly over the crust. This step is crucial for ensuring that every bite is packed with flavor. Sprinkle with mozzarella cheese, making sure to cover the sauce completely for that gooey, melted cheese experience. Arrange salami and red onion slices on top. Be generous with the salami to ensure that its bold flavors are present in every bite. The red onion should be evenly distributed to provide a consistent crunch and flavor throughout the pizza. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until crust is golden brown and cheese is melted and bubbly. Keep an eye on the pizza to prevent overcooking, as the perfect pizza has a golden crust and bubbling cheese. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve immediately. The fresh parsley not only adds a burst of color, but also a fresh, herbaceous note that complements the rich flavors of the pizza. This simple recipe allows the flavors of your homemade salami to take center stage. The combination of savory salami, tangy sauce, melted cheese, and the sharp bite of red onion creates a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're making this for a family dinner or a casual get-together, this Hungarian salami pizza is sure to be a hit. The final result is a pizza that not only looks amazing, but tastes incredible. The harmony of flavors and textures makes each bite a delightful experience. Enjoy this simple yet exquisite Hungarian salami pizza, and savor the unique blend of Eastern European and Italian culinary traditions. Section 8. A taste of success, enjoying your homemade salami. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the journey of making Hungarian salami at home. The moment of truth has arrived. Slice into your creation and savor the culmination of your efforts. The rich smoky aroma, the satisfying snap of the casing, and the complex interplay of spices will transport you to the heart of Hungarian culinary tradition. Pair your homemade salami with crusty bread, tangy pickles, and a dollop of mustard for a simple yet satisfying snack. It also shines as the star ingredient in sandwiches, salads, and charcuterie boards, adding a touch of artisanal flair to any gathering. Section 9. New Year, new flavors, a toast to culinary adventures. As we approach the new year, let this culinary triumph inspire you to embrace new challenges and savor the rewards of your efforts. Making Hungarian salami at home is a testament to the power of patience, precision, and a passion for good food. From our kitchen to yours, we wish you a happy, healthy, and delicious new year, filled with culinary adventures. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Hungarian salami, consider subscribing to our channel and joining our growing community of food enthusiasts. We're on a mission to reach 2,000 subscribers and share our love of food with the world. Your support means the world to us. Cheers!